Wagwan my people, welcome back to the channel. So see it there, scammer thief, another scammer, front bumper for them voxy. A wagwan. Scammer them now make no money again. That a go on right now, cause see it there. A broke and no money right now for buy back a new bumper. So him decide say him a go thief him friend bumper for him voxy my people. Remember I know what you're making now, and what you save. So enough of them scammer you make money. Them not save nothing for no say rainy day or when trouble come, them have a piece of money. Figure do the road and can do what them want do. No, them just make a piece of money, floss it out and things say yeah, tomorrow will be the same. Wise up youths. Kidnap file. In a dramatic turn of events, the St. Catherine North Police rescue a Spanish Town businessman who had been kidnapped by a gunman. The victim was taken away from his Brunswick Avenue business place by armed men who allegedly demanded an undisclosed sum of money for his release. The incident occurred sometime after 11 p.m. on Thursday. Reports are that in response to intelligence, the police swiftly arrived at a premises in Elshire Gardens where they encountered resistance from gunmen. A fatal exchange of gunfire ensued, resulting in the demise of one suspect. Two others were apprehended and a .38 revolver seized from the crime scene. Senior Superintendent of Police Howard Chambers commended the police swift and devised action that rescued the kidnapped individual. Yeah man, my people, so that go on right there, so So them gunman a decide say yo, them a go put this businessman upon a ransom, you see me? And them guy him home, my people, ready for take him away. But the police them with swift and catch up to Wagwan, you understand? And one of the gunman them was fatal, you see me? Yeah, and a .38 revolver seized from them, you see me? So good job to the police them. But me I wonder, if I saw the youth them plan for live, just get up every day and want just rob people and take away people things. You understand? Just like that now. This a businessman have him family to take care of and have a future ahead of him. And know say boy, him have to get things done for reach where he want to reach in life. But no, them gunmen now just feel like say yeah, them for just sit down and wait for others to flourish, then them come take them things. No, I know so it work. You understand? A lot of people in a Jamaica want to do a business, but them afraid to do it. You understand? Because them fear for know so when them open them business, them will become a target, and that we see a go on in a Jamaica. Once criminal feel like say yeah, you make money, you become a target. You understand? But I know so it's supposed to go. People not supposed to afraid to open a business or afraid to be successful in a life, see a criminal. Understand my people, but I just saw it set, but it a go come to an end my people. Yeah man, so if you reach this far to the video, like the video my people, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Remember, we always drop news every day.